Today we're making seafood Alfredo, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Nancy's Love Kitchen. Today we're going to make one of my favorite dishes, seafood Alfredo. All right, let's go over the ingredients really fast before we start cooking. I have 2 cups of heavy cream, 2 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. I have 2 tablespoons of garlic. I have 6 tablespoons of butter, and we have a large package, I would say about 2 pounds of shrimp. All right, so right now I have the fettuccine pasta going. We're gonna cook it according to the package, and then we're gonna start on the sauce. All right, we're gonna turn the heat on to medium heat. We'll add our butter in there. Let everything melt. Then we'll add the rest of the ingredients in there. All right, now that the butter is almost melted, I'm gonna add the garlic in there. Give it a good stir. Let that cook for about a minute. You don't want it to burn, so just stir it a little bit until it gets nice and tender where you get all the fragrance out. All right, once the garlic is in there for about a minute, you want to add your heavy cream in here. And bring that to a boil. Let it simmer for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to add the Parmesan cheese in here. All right, now that we brought the sauce to a boil, we're going to add the Parmesan cheese only a little bit at a time. So maybe do a cup first and save the other half after we mix everything in here. And another thing I'd like to point out is I don't like to put my shrimp in after I put the garlic in, because then I feel like my shrimp gets overcooked. But I like to make the sauce first. Everything is in here, and then we add the shrimp and let that cook in there with the sauce. Just something to keep in mind. I'm gonna add the rest of the Parmesan in here. See, the sauce is getting nice and thick now. That's how you want it to be. Give it a good mix. Let this boil for a few minutes until it gets a little bit thicker, and then we're going to add our shrimp, salt, and pepper. All right, look at this sauce. It's beautifully thick. This is exactly how we want it to look. Now I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Add salt and pepper to your taste, but just keep in mind Parmesan cheese is already salty, so you don't want to overdo adding the salt. Nice fresh black pepper. Now we're going to add the shrimp in here. Let this cook until your shrimp is fully cooked, red, and ready to go. I'm going to show you what the end result looks like. I'm actually going to cover this up right now and let all that flavor get inside our shrimp. Let's see what this baby looks like. All right, it looks like our shrimp is cooked nicely. As you can see, it's beautifully nice and pink. Now we're gonna add our pasta to it. All right, here we go. I'm gonna add our fettuccine. Throw all of it in there. There we go. Give this a good stir. Alright, now we're going to give it a nice stir. Let all that pasta in here. Get the flavor of the sauce and the shrimp. I'm going to cover it up for about a couple of minutes, just so the pasta has all that sauce in it. And then I'm going to show you the end results. Alright, let's put some in the plate and give this a good try. I'm so excited. It smells delicious, and it looks delicious. Add some shrimp in here. All right, and now, if you guys have A grater for cheese, I recommend using it. I have some parmesan in here. There we go. All right, I'm so excited to give this a try. I hope you guys are gonna like it too. Let's dig in right now. Oh my, smells so good. Delicious. Well, I'm gonna go finish my plate. Let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment if you have any questions. Until next time. Mwah.